Finding Ground is going live. Starting June 24th, I'll be going live almost every week on YouTube. I'll be offering teachings and commentary and answering your questions. We won't be meditating in these sessions. It's just a chance to hear important meditation teachings and stay connected to the thread of practice. These live streams focus on understanding how meditation works, what it's really for, and what it reveals over time. It's a great place to get your feet wet with the teachings on meditation. Or if your feet are already wet, you can hear a fresh take on the ancient path. These teachings are drawn from the great traditions of meditation, especially the Mahayana, which gave rise to Zen, Mahamudra, and the Tibetan systems. These are really the backbone of most modern meditation practices. The Finding Ground approach is a way of bringing these to life in contemporary terms, making them usable, clear, relevant, but not watering them down at all. For the last few years, we've offered these teachings in public online talks over Zoom, but Zoom has its limits. So now we're moving to YouTube to make things simpler. There's no more links or waiting rooms, and anyone can join from anywhere. And the replays, well, they'll just be here on YouTube. So if you're new to Finding Ground or you're new to meditation, this is a good way to begin. We'll see you there.